To keep up with the ever more challenging timelines of high-rise construction, the company Schindler provides customers with the quickest elevator installation technique yet. This method is called R.I.S E, and it's an independent robotic system. While ascending the shaft, R.I.S E first prepares the necessary holes. Then it secures the anchor bolts required for guide rail installation. The system identifies and avoids obstacles, drilling based on the location of the rebar in the shaft walls. Plus, it works 24/7. As a result, the construction crew doesn't have to perform physically taxing, repetitive, and time-intensive tasks. Fantastic! This approach has been tested in cities like Dubai, Sao Paulo, Warsaw, and others. In fact, in Warsaw, R.I.S E was used on the Warsaw Tower, the tallest building in the EU. Let's head to France, where the eco-village LAOM is under construction. Its founders are promising more than just housing. They envision an inspiring space for entrepreneurs, artists, and all kinds of creators. The location is truly scenic, with the Sorgue River flowing nearby. Besides accommodation, LAOM offers retreat spaces, a business incubator, and a farm focused on regenerative agriculture. When it comes to construction, the eco-village is built with straw blocks, which are the main building material shown in the video. The completed single-story building will span 850 square meters. Excluding labor costs, each square meter is priced at $254. Lime and sand will be used for the exterior wall finish, but for now, they need to protect the straw with tarps in case of poor weather. However, it's worth noting that the oldest hay building in France has stood for 100 years. Hopefully, this architectural gem will last a long time, avoiding the fate of the straw house from the Three Little Pigs. The ACS team knows that the quality and longevity of materials are crucial for successful construction projects. That's why they're excited to introduce the CERTUS modular system to their customers. It's really simple. Facing bricks are attached to a steel base. Why complicate things, right? This combination is built to last for 60 years of trouble-free service. Plus, a CERTUS panel weighs less than 15 kilograms, making shipping and on-site transportation easier. Builders won't need glue or other compounds, as the fixation is mechanical. This allows for the simulation of various masonry styles, and the cherry on top? Speed. The crew can complete the finish 5 times faster than with more traditional systems. The 3D panels from AS Country Stone can transform ordinary rooms into futuristic spaceship interiors, or even the sets of cyberpunk movies. It's all up to the customer's imagination. Either way, say goodbye to boring wallpaper, paint, and other traditional finishes. These panels are a fantastic way to let your creativity shine. Their structure pairs perfectly with concrete, steel, or glass elements. Made of lightweight plastic, they can be mounted on oriented strand board or drywall using fasteners or glue. The panels are robust enough for commercial projects like fitness studios, hotels, and restaurants. And estimating costs is easy. Covering 1 square meter typically costs around $102. Ready to harness the power of innovation from the FastenMaster team? Then let's safeguard your porch with this special coating. It'll shield the wood from moisture, prevent decay, and extend its lifespan. We're talking about a water-based sealant that's ideal for frame elements, especially in areas where protective tape is impractical. It sets in just 20 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours at 21 degrees Celsius. Plus, it's non-flammable and easy to apply with a roller or a brush. And it's just as easy to clean up, even from your skin, with just warm water and soap. A 3.8-litre bucket will cost you $108. At the NAHB International Builders Show, the Evolve Stone team won in 2 categories, including Best Building Material. What impressed the jury? Their innovative stone veneer system. While it may not seem extraordinary at first glance, Evolve Stone believes it's revolutionary. Why? According to them, it's the world's first mortarless system that's installed using a finish nailer, making it 10 times faster than other methods. This system is perfect for both small repairs like creating a new fireplace and large-scale outdoor projects such as facade finishing. The veneer ranges in thickness from 9.5 to 32 mm and weighs 50% less than similar systems. Pewag is confident that they produce the most reliable wheel chains in the world, catering to both passenger cars and massive dump trucks. While chains for cars prevent skids, those for dump trucks protect the tires. Cuts and punctures can immobilize not just the truck, but also the machinery it works with. Plus, these tires are expensive, and their size makes transportation a logistical nightmare. For instance, a Michelin 5980 R63 XDR tire weighs over 5 tons. By using safety chains, technicians minimize these risks and extend tire life at the same time. With QUICKBLOCK, you can build anything, anywhere, or so the manufacturers claim. They call it a revolution, and it's eco-friendly too, as the blocks are made entirely from recycled plastic. But why choose these over concrete blocks? First, the filler material can be adjusted based on the project. Sometimes plain sand is enough. Second, QUICKBLOCK doesn't require any special skills or tools. And third, plastic is naturally lighter than concrete. It seems QUICKBLOCK has more advantages too. It's no surprise the manufacturing company secured around $1.7 million in investment. Their goal is commendable: to make sustainable construction accessible to all. The word revolution pops up in many reviews of the EOLIS HC insulation, with both builders and architects appreciating how it addresses multiple issues at once. Firstly, compared to PIR boards, this new product can be installed twice as fast. Secondly, its special structure not only effectively reduces thermal bridging, but also comes in handy during summer as it helps keep spaces cool. The insulation is designed like a sandwich, with films and special fibers layered together. It harnesses air, a proven and free insulator, and doesn't release small particles or other irritants that could be harmful to the respiratory system. This means builders won't need respirators while working with it. Additionally, EOLIS HC is easy to cut and fasten, making it convenient to use even in tight spaces like attics. Doka truly understands scaffolding and formwork. Their products were even used during the construction of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. Doka's engineers are not satisfied with this, however, and are constantly coming up with even more impressive systems. Take Slipform, for instance. This remarkable formwork platform has already been praised by the builders of an office complex in Bradford, UK. Using hydraulic jacks, the system ascends at around 30 centimeters per hour. Its multi-level platform offers great versatility. The upper section is perfect for transporting construction materials, while the lower section can accommodate a team of finishers. Ever wondered what happens inside formwork during concrete pouring? Invest in DokaXact and impress your clients with a detailed answer. This system uses wireless sensors to monitor formwork load and concrete pressure in real time. It then sends this data via Bluetooth to a mobile app. Alternatively, you can use a laptop and use a special website to generate the necessary reports with just a few clicks. The sensors are water and dust resistant and come in durable housings. Doka experts recommend this system for large-scale infrastructure projects, like those in the energy sector. They assure efficient pouring in all weather conditions. DERUTU creates robots designed to replace construction workers. These mechanical helpers are already sanding walls, refinishing floors, and even laying tiles. The manufacturers are aiming for full automation and user convenience. For instance, the robot specialized in floor treatment plans its route and applies all layers on its own, from the initial primer to the final epoxy coat. Equipped with radars and BIM models of the rooms, the robot navigates its workspace effortlessly. The efficiency of DERUTU's innovations is impressive. For example, plastering can be sped up to cover 8 square meters in just 50 seconds. This would reduce labor intensity by 70% and boost efficiency by up to 200%. The spider net system is designed to protect workers during slab formwork. It includes a net up to 1.5 meters wide and 10 meters long, along with several brackets. Swivel brackets should be placed every 5 meters at most, with intermediate ones every 2.5 meters at least. The special nuts make installation a breeze. All you need is a simple hammer. So if a worker accidentally trips, SpiderNet will be there to catch them. It's a system that combines simplicity with practicality. CONTRACK is a precast concrete slab technology that enables quick repairs, such as fixing a tram crossing. The slabs are made ahead of time in a workshop, enhancing both the precision and speed of repairs. With this method, a new switch at a highway intersection can be ready in just a weekend instead of months. Drivers are thrilled, and builders must be happy too. The slabs are made with excellent precision and quality, ensuring the site lasts longer. This product comes from Poland. Do you have streetcar tracks nearby? And if so, do they use anything similar? Vroom isn't about races or supercars, but it does help customers work faster. They manufacture prefabricated concrete details that make construction feel like playing with a giant Lego set. You can get individual pieces like piles or prefabricated sets for basements, entrances, and other parts of your future building. Plus, Vroom specialists can not only manufacture what you need, but also assist on site. They offer services like checking concrete integrity, installing sound-absorbing elements, and overseeing pile driving. But if you prefer, you can just opt for consultation. Vroom's projects include transforming an office building into a 399-apartment residential complex, establishing the SHIP 21 business campus, and a luxury park with multiple zones and 154 guest houses. So, there's no questioning the quality of their products and services. Here's how the experts at GLASSO operate. They've tackled a lot, with over 500,000 completed orders to date. Check out how they transformed a business center with a ventilated and translucent facade, covering 10,000 square meters. The glass railings alone added up to 1 kilometer, and the amount of mineral wool used must be staggering. GLASSO's team didn't just install ready-made modules, they solved numerous challenges, from construction surveying to aesthetics, all at the highest level. Notably, they hung the ceramic slabs without any visible fasteners. The result is stunning. DAN board is so durable that it's used for factory floors and roads, even directly on gravel. It's resistant to chemicals and can be processed in all the usual ways, including welding. What's surprising is that DAN boards are made entirely from recycled plastic, making them eco-friendly. A typical Classic Series board comes in lengths of up to 3 meters and widths up to 1.2 meters, with a thickness of 20 millimeters. They're great for temporary routes on construction sites, as they're much easier to move around than steel alternatives. They're strong enough to even be used on a parking lot. Plus, the manufacturer can customize DAN board with the customer's logo. Welcome to Japan. Local construction workers face a challenging task. They need to create a concrete channel to safely direct water away from a dam. Typically, this job would take about a month, but this time the builders are using innovative technology to finish in just 2 days. One reason for this speed is the shortage of workers. To complete all projects on time, builders need to use various tricks. In this case, the key to success is flexible fabric formwork. They simply lay it out carefully and fill it with cement. Threads are used for stitching and achieving a precise fit. The final result perfectly matches the shape of the channel. Hydroblob is a versatile drainage system with 2 installation methods. In the first method, the blocks are laid out like a storm drain with a grid created on the surface, flush with tiles. In the second method, the Hydroblob blocks are completely covered with soil. This approach is useful when many blocks are connected into a large system, gradually releasing water back into the soil. A standard D34 block can hold 34 liters of water. When combined with easy gravel split plates, the blocks are strong enough to be driven over by cars. Even underground, these blocks are designed to last for decades. Additionally, a filter membrane is installed beneath the grid. A Hydroblob D34 block costs $46.50. Do you enjoy chocolates with air bubbles? The inside of a BubbleDeck plate looks kind of similar, with empty plastic balls inside. Compared to traditional slabs, BubbleDeck uses 50% less concrete while maintaining the same strength. This means drivers save on gas and factories save on energy. The design of BubbleDeck is easily adaptable, even for unique curved elements. Longer spans result in less deflection, and construction goes faster, which will greatly please nearby residents. It's no surprise that these unusual slabs are used in 40 countries. And if you're impressed by scale, the tallest project using BubbleDeck reached an impressive 209 meters.